CS Connect, getting started at the dental practice. CS Connect Overview. CS Connect enables you to electronically transfer intraoral impression data to the lab of your choice quickly and securely through our cloud-based hosted web service. Your data is protected against unauthorized access during transfer and while stored in the cloud. Data is encrypted by your PC prior to transfer and remains encrypted while residing in the cloud. CS Connect is integrated with Carestream dental imaging software, so there is no need to launch an additional software application. Doctor-lab communication is simplified with CS Connect's integrated online web form and custom forms created by the lab. These forms provide a standard for communication between your practice and the lab, reducing the risk of missing information. When a lab partner downloads a case you send, you can communicate in real time directly from the CS Connect interface. The lab partner can use the Carestream Mesh Viewer to read the attached DICOM file and view the 3D margin line in full HD color. Installing CS Connect. Getting started using CS Connect in your practice is an easy process. You will need the following: Internet access, Carestream imaging software, version 7.0 or higher, ortho imaging software, version 11.4 or higher, or dental imaging software, version 6.13.3.3F or higher. A valid Carestream dental single sign-on account, the CS Connect agent, and valid emails for your preferred lab partners so you can invite them to receive work requests from you through CS Connect. When you submit a work request to a lab, the CS Connect agent software collects impression data from your CS imaging software and transfers it to our hosted server. The agent must be installed on each computer running CSI or CSOI that submits cases, or on a network that hosts your data. A valid Carestream Dental Single Sign-On SSO account is required to install the agent on your computers. To begin downloading the CS Connect agent, open an internet browser and access https://csdentalconnect.com. The CS Connect webpage is displayed. Your SSO is the email address and password used to register your Carestream products. Enter your SSO email and password and click Sign In. If you do not have an SSO, click First Connection to create one. In the First Connection window, click Link. Complete the product activation and registration form. It is not necessary to register any Carestream products at this time. Your SSO number is generated upon completion of this form. Return to csdentalconnect.com and enter your SSO email and password. Then click Sign In. When you successfully log into CS Connect for the first time using your SSO, you are guided through an online profile wizard. Click Next on the Welcome page. Enter your personal information and click Next. Fields with an asterisk are required. Enter your practice address and click Next. Note that the address entered here will be sent to your lab partners with each case you submit. This is the address to which the lab will return the requested work. Click to view the CS Connect Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Click Accept to continue. The CS Connect agent can now be downloaded. Click Download. Click Run to launch the CS Connect agent installer. Select your preferred language and click OK. The CS Connect Setup wizard is displayed. Close all other software applications before continuing. Then click Next. To accept the default installation directory location, click Install. To designate a different download location, click Browse. The installer downloads the necessary components from the CS Connect website. When the download completes, click Finish. You are now able to open and use CS Connect on your computer. Workflow Overview. To submit a case to the lab, use the following workflow. Launch CS Connect software from within your CS imaging software. In the patient browser, right-click on a model and select Send to CS Connect. Or in the Patient History window, click CS Connect. The CS Connect interface provides everything you need to select, view, and submit a case on one screen. The case list displays all cases you have created or submitted. The Case Display section of the window enables you to view case details, including the case summary, attached files, notes, and the history. Icons at the top of the window enable you to log out, invite and check the status of your lab partners, edit your profile settings, and view online help. From this window, you can also submit the case, discard the case, and print a copy of the case detail. Inviting a lab partner. Before you can submit a case to a lab partner, you must invite the lab to receive your work request. You can invite as many labs as you'd like to work with. To begin, open CS Connect and click the Lab Management icon in the upper right corner. In the Partner window, click Invite a Partner. Enter your preferred lab partner's email address and customize the invitation email text as you'd like. Then, click Send. The Partners window is updated, indicating that your invitation is waiting for acceptance by the lab. An invitation email is sent to the lab with instructions about how to log into CS Connect and accept your invitation. Once the lab accepts your invitation, an exclamation point is displayed on the Partner Management icon. Click this icon to open the Partners window and view your new lab partner. You will also receive an email informing you that the lab has accepted your invitation. Submitting a case to a lab. To submit a case to a lab, select your patient in your Carestream imaging software and then launch CS Connect. With the case highlighted in the case list, click the Submit icon on the Management toolbar. If you have invited other labs to accept work requests from you, select the lab you want from the drop-down list. To invite a new lab to accept your work request, click Create a New Partner. Next, select a form type to submit with your case. If the lab has created a CS Connect customized web form, it will be selected by default. Click Next to complete the form. The Web Form Wizard walks you through completion of the form. Accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. Alternatively, the lab may upload their own forms for you to use. To download the forms, click the Submission Forms link. Complete and attach the lab's form and add comments supporting your case. If the lab has not uploaded forms to use, indicated by the absence of the Submission Forms link, you can attach your own work request document and add supplemental comments to support your case. Accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. CS Connect uses our secure cloud-based web service to transfer related STL and DICOM files, which provide a digital impression in full HD color, including the 3D margin line. The lab can download the Carestream Mesh Viewer from the Carestream Dental website to view the DICOM files. A case's status is updated as the case is transmitted to the cloud. No personal patient information is transferred with the case, but a numerical patient identifier is assigned and the data is encrypted prior to transmission. The lab is alerted of your work request via email. Once the lab accepts and downloads your case, the case status is updated to Consulted in CS Connect. Partner Management. Managing your participating labs is made easy through the Lab Management feature in CS Connect. From the Partners window, you can view the list of partners, you can email a lab, and you can remove a lab partner from your list. When the down arrow is displayed, you can also download forms provided by the lab. If a lab partner terminates the relationship with you, you will be notified by email, and any cases the lab has received from you but have yet to be downloaded will be rejected. The case's status in CS Connect changes to Rejected. To work with the lab again, you must send a new invitation. This concludes the recorded class, CS Connect Getting Started at the Dental Practice. Now you should be familiar with the CS Connect software, and you should be able to install CS Connect, invite a lab partner, submit a case, and manage your lab partners in the software.